Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, big news has come from the Desi front, which I had told you in the previous video that Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force has reached near the University of Wollo near Dessie. According to Tigray Television, Tigray Defense Force Central Command claiming that Tigray Defense Force defeated the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in Dessie city, and now Tigray Defense Force has begun to enter the Dessie city. Viewers, at the moment, we are receiving reports from several sources that Tigray Defense Force has defeated the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in Dessie city. And now, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in Dessie city. Viewers, of course, it's not less than a big victory for Tigray Defense Force because Tigray Defense Force has been trying for the last 2 months to get control of the Dessie city. And now there are continuous reports that Tigray Defense Force has gained control over the Dessie city. And there is still fighting on the sides of the Dessie between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, I informed you in the previous video that most of the chances are that as soon as Tigray Defense Force soldiers will be able to enter the city of Dessie, Ethiopian National Defense Force will move from Dessie to other areas because no army won't fight inside the city. Now is the time for Tigray Defense Force, for which they struggled for the last 2 months. And now, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are entering Dessie city after defeating Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in the middle of the Dessie city. Viewers, and the soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force have left the Dessie according to Tigray Television, and Tigray Defense Force Central Command has once again appealed to citizens to stay in their homes and protect their property. Because no statement regarding Tigray Defense Force claim has been made by the Ethiopian government and the Amhara government so far. And a video about this claim has also been shared by Tigray Television. First you watch this video and then we talk further.
ጀግናው የትግራይ ሰራዊት አስቀድሞ ባወጣው ዕቅድ መሰረት በጣም ብዙ የፋሽስታዊ አህመድ ክፍለ ጦሮች በሚያስደንቅ ጽናትና ጀግንነት በመደምሰስ ደሴ ከተማን መቆጣጠር ጀምሯል። አሁንም ቢሆን ውጊያው ከከተማዎች ለመጨረሻ ጊዜ ለመጨረስ ሰራዊታችን የተቻለውን ሁሉ በማድረግ ላይ ይገኛል። ይሁን እንጂ የተሸነፈው ጠላት መሀል ከተማ መድፍ ጠምዶ በመተኮስ ላይ የሚገኝ ሆኖ ሰራዊታችን ሰላማዊ ሕዝብን ላለመጉዳት ሲል ተመጣጣኝ እርምጃ ከመውሰድ ተቆጥቦ በሌላ አቅጣጫ ወደፊት በመገስገስ ላይ ይገኛል። የደሴ ከተማ ነዋሪ ህዝብ የጠላት ምሽግ ላለመሆን ንብረት ደህንነት እንድጠብቅና መያዣ ሊያደርጉ የፈለጉትን ፋሽስቶች እንዲንትናቸው የትግራይ ሰራዊት ወታደራዊ ኮማንድ በድጋሚ ያሳስብናል። ትግራይ
but till now Tigray Defense Force did not share any picture or video from inside Dessie city. This will be the biggest victory for Tigray Defense Force in the Amhara region if the claim made by Tigray television is right. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers will surely move towards Kambolcha after gaining control over the Dessie. And it is also evident that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers may have moved from Dessie to Kambolcha, and they will once again stop Tigray Defense Force from moving towards Kambolcha. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Independent Party, Silsai Weyane Tigray, and National Congress of Great Tigray issued a comprehensive peace proposal for the resolution of Ethiopia-Tigray war, in which they said that the Ethiopian government to agree, accept, respect, and acknowledge the people of Tigray's right for internationally monitored referendum, and the Ethiopian government to ensure the withdrawal of all hostile and invading forces, namely Eritrean forces, Amhara militia, and special forces, and the Ethiopian army units from the sovereignty territory of Tigray, and the Ethiopian government to agree to immediately lift all forms of blockage, to restore all public services, and release annual budget of Tigray, and the Ethiopian government to free all civilians and military personnel who are merely imprisoned because of their identity, held down harassment of Tigrayans living in many parts of Ethiopia, and reopen all Tigrayan businesses recently shut down by covert and overt governmental campaigns, and the Ethiopian government to agree to an independent, international, and impartial investigation of the genocidal war, all crimes against humanity, and related war crimes committed in Tigray, and the Ethiopian government to agree to an independent international investigations of the destructions on private and public properties, and to determine repartition and compensation arrangements, and the Ethiopian government to announce in public the acceptance of all the aforementioned terms for peace and its deadlines to the implementation in good faith, and the Ethiopian government to agree to an internationally monitored implementation mechanism compressing concerned international actors. So far, this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.